izadi Nano2 Industry project is a pilot project funded by Horizon 2020 program by the European Commission, focused on the development of advanced materials and advanced manufacturing processes able to answer to the request for more performing and durable parts coming for two specific sectors: construction and agricultural machinery sector and automotive one.
izadi Nano2 Industry transfers nanotechnology from the laboratory to the industry. This is done through the development of 3 pilots: a scratch pilot, hard-cast pilot, and Tribonano pilot that have been installed in real industrial plants. The goal is to bring prototypes to full production by securing reproducibility and safety aspects to their applications. This is a critical point for the industry. The scratch pilot is a solution for the injection molding industry to give high aesthetic value and functionalities to the products.
The beta anti-scratch properties are given by novel PMMA nano compounds able to produce an improved scratch resistance, more than 140% compared to standard materials, with a low variation of gloss and color. Whilst the innovative nano-texture mold inserts give diffractive or plasmonic aesthetic effects directly during the injection molding process. Thanks to the results achieved, we can propose to the market more efficient and added value parts, reducing at the same time the production steps and costs.
The casting sector, traditional but at the same time key for the reindustrialization of Europe, is also represented in the project through the hard-cast pilot. In this pilot, innovative nano-reinforced components with enhanced strength and hardness properties are cast through a cost-effective and safe gravity casting process. And finally, Tribonano pilot for surface treatment and coating sectors, where nanostructured powders for metallic thermet coatings and thermal spray technologies are combined to produce more durable metallic parts.
In izadi Nano2 Industry project, we have included 2 parts of our hydraulic motors which are installed in construction machinery. These parts are a buzz plate and a swash plate. Producing them through the innovative technology of Tribonano and hard-cast pilots allows us to propose to the market an hydraulic motor with increased mechanical efficiency and improved durability. These benefits are really appreciated by our target customer because the increased mechanical efficiency can be converted in a reduction of fuel consumption and a lower maintenance cost.
Thanks to the project, the partner will propose new or improved products and services on the market. The project impact relies not only on the exploitation of the results, but also on the fact that the proposed technology can contribute on the environment protection. In fact, the pilot manufacturing processes are greener due to the part machinery reduction. The improvement durability of the parts permit to reduce the raw material used, and as the parts are made on the fewer type of material, their recycling can be easier. It is then worth to mention that izadi Nano2 Industry technology can also be transferred to other market sectors and applied on several other components. In this way, the positive effect of the project will be wider.
Izadi Nano2 Industry project is an example that thanks to European funds, it is possible to overcome the called Valley of the Death, bringing closer research results to the industrial end users. We are very proud to say that thanks to our work and thanks to the close collaboration in between all the partners of the consortium, we have contributed to this challenge.